Remote control. Induct by watch. Dual mode aircraft. Single hand remote control. One button takeoff. The aircraft can fly in the corresponding direction as the gesture tilts. Press the finger key shortly. The corresponding direction to roll can be realized. Press the finger key shortly 3 times. Infrared obstacle avoidance mode is activated. Automatic obstacle avoidance. Rest assured to play. Hand drop induction. Multiplayer interaction. Roll by gesture induction. Gesture induction. Fixed point hovering.